and the pranayama, etc., kumbhakam, kriya, these are all Raja Yoga. All will help, but finally it leads to the Jnanodevata Kaivalya. Without the Atma Jnana, realization cannot happen. Jnanodevata Kaivalya. It is Rishipokta, not my words. In Upanishad Vahini, Swami wrote Upanishad, about 10 Upanishads, small book. In the first chapter, headline, Swami gave, Jnanodevata Kaivalya, in Upanishad Vahini. You read it. First chapter, headline to first chapter, Jnanodevata Kaivalya, in Upanishad Vahini. Swami, take it. So it's about Atma Jnana is very well telling, but the majority is not ready to receive external things. Bhajan, Harati, Polhara, Moving, Getspoil. Swami ఏం చెప్తున్నా పట్టుకోలేకపోయింది.